This shipped in a bag, and it weighs 4 pounds 7 ounces. The size of this box is 17.5 inches long by 8.5 inches wide, and it's 4 inches tall. All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so inside the package you get a set of instructions in multiple languages that basically tell you great things you can do with this, not to put it or use it in high temperatures or around corrosive chemicals. You get 3 stands, 3 tripods that fold out. I've actually extended one of these and measured it, and the stand itself from the floor to the top of the stand is a little over 48 inches, with the device on the top of it, the light rack on the top of it, measured out to about 54 inches in height. The stand, you just unscrew this cap right here, and it comes with 3 swivels. The swivel screws on, and then you screw the light rack onto the swivel, or you can screw the light rack onto the swivel and screw it onto the stand. It came with 3 different sets of 4 filters. We got white, yellow, red, and blue. These lights themselves measure about 6 inches by 4 inches, but inside this we're looking at about 5¼ inches by 3 inches. These are made out of plastic. They're really light, really lightweight. I wouldn't say flimsy, but they're close. I'd worry about this cable getting bounced around. If you're gonna, they don't come with a bag, so if you're gonna transport this, your best bet might be to keep the boxes that it came in, and you can just put it back in the box and transport it that way. This obviously isn't a device that a professional photographer is going to use on a daily basis, but for the average guy who's just doing stuff around the house, it's probably a good item. You've got a remote control or an on-off switch with each of these for power and up and down, which is for lighting intensity, I assume. Once the stand's fully assembled with the swivel and the light on the tripod, it will rotate at a 180-degree angle. I've been looking for something to help with my lighting when I shoot videos, and hopefully this thing does the trick. I'll let you know.